Embark on a journey to discover Europe's first wild river national park, the Vjosa River in Albania. A hidden treasure and natural wonder where water rushes freely from rugged mountains to the turquoise Mediterranean Sea. Home to a unique wildlife with over 1,100 species, some on the brink of extinction. In Vjosa, every rapid, curve and tributary tells a story, inviting you to be a part of its ancient melody. Explore medieval castles, a stone city, Ottoman bridges and farming communities. Feel the warmth of golden sun rays, traverse lush hills and marvel at majestic peaks. Meet friendly locals and taste delicious fresh food. Immerse yourself in exciting adventures and turn your holiday into a promise. Help communities protect this natural sanctuary, giving back as you receive. Come and experience the amazing gem of Vjosa, Europe's first wild river national park.